Hello students. As we have learned that the Northern Plains consist of three river basins which are Satluj River Basin, Ganga River Basin and Brahmaputra River Basin. Let us learn about these river basins. Satluj River Basin. The Satluj River Basin has been formed by the river Satluj and its tributary Beas. The two states Punjab and Haryana are located in the Satluj River Basin. The region faces extreme climate, that is, it is very hot during summers and very cold in winters. This area does not receive much rainfall, thus, to help the farmers in irrigation, the government has built many dams. The Bhakra Nangal Dam, which is built on river Satluj, is very important. This dam provides water for irrigation and for generating electricity. The Ganga River Basin. The Ganga River originates as Bhagirathi from the Gangotri Glacier. It flows as Bhagirathi until Devprayag, where it is joined by the river Alaknanda. Both of these rivers combine each other and flow further as Ganga River. They enters the Northern Plains at Haridwar, where it is joined by the river Yamuna. The place where these two rivers, that is Ganga and Yamuna, meets is known as Sangam. The other tributaries of the Ganga river such as Ghagra, Gandak, Kosi from the north side and Chambal, Betwa and Son rivers from the south side join Ganga river. The lower part of the Ganga river lies in the West Bengal. Here, the river flows very slowly and splits into a number of branches called distributaries. One such branch is Hooghly River, on the banks of which Kolkata is located, and another branch of the Ganga River flows into Bangladesh, where it is called Padma. Thus, the Ganga River Basin has been formed by the river Ganga and its tributaries. A major part of the Ganga River Basin lies in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. The Brahmaputra River Basin. The Brahmaputra River originates near the Mansarovar Lake in Tibet, where it is called Yarlung Sangpo. It flows eastwards and enters India through Arunachal Pradesh. In India, it flows through Assam before entering to Bangladesh. In Bangladesh, the Brahmaputra River joins the Padma River and forms the largest delta of the world called the Sundarban Deltas before falling into the Bay of Bengal. A large part of this delta is in Bangladesh. Thus, the eastern part of the Northern Plains has been formed by the Brahmaputra River. This part is called the Brahmaputra River Basin. A large part of this Brahmaputra river basin lies in Assam and a small part in West Bengal.